time. You guys are all dressed up. Oh, there's that. Look at you. You take it off on your bicycle. Get back.
You gonna show me how you ride your bike, Adam? Can you bring it up? Try it. What? Watch where you're going.
You're adorable.
Can you go right around Graham's fan?
Are you matched the van?
My bike?
Yeah. Yeah, my car was in there somewhere.
Yeah, the van behind it.
Yeah, look at your little legs. Just. Oh,
There you are.
That's right. Here you are. Here you are in your jacket and your shorts.
Your
Your white socks. You're so cute. Oh, here, come back down. Come on, come on.
Oh, never put my foot down.
Here he comes. You aren't jumping in the lake.
You'll run me over.
Everybody else is out on the dock and you just...
I'm stealing the show.
Yep.
Terry, come on up here.
Oh, JoJo has her hat on.
Watch where you're walking.
JoJo's
There's a watch me paddle.
Okay, come on, JoJo.
Me.
Be careful and don't fall.
Oh, I will.
Don't trip. See your short hair?
Mm-hmm.
JoJo had chopped off.
You mean where he jumped in? Yes. Come on, Adam. Go back there by Carrie.
Am I gonna die?
That is too funny. Look at that. Just doing that to her.
Carrie, how old are you? One more finger.
You tell me.
Adam, go stand there next to Carrie for 1 second.
Oh, she's remembering it.
Here he comes, here he comes, here he comes.
Oh, look at that stop. Not even looking down.
His legs.
Oh, yeah.
Adam, you can go down.
I am single.
Right now.
He's been... I am 4, 3, 2, whatever.
Oh, and look at this sweetheart.
JoJo, that bow goes in the back of your head.
Oh, I just don't know. Oh.
That is the best right there. Sit down.
Look what I can do.
I have to send that to Alec. Tax away on skateboard.
Don't fall in, JoJo, get back.
Yeah.
JoJo, Adam.
Which one should I worry about?
By the dock.
What year was that?
91.
Oh my God.
See, this is water.
91.
Take over by the dock.
Years ago.
That was April.
Oh, okay. 19 and a half years ago. I don't remember those,
A real pretty fish.
really your jacket.
Adam, what you doing?
I'm getting the water out.
Getting the water
What'd you
out.
say?
Where you gonna put it?
What'd you say?
Here.
I'm getting the water out.
Ooh, the dog will. Out here.
You.
Mom, is he the rock in the water?
No.